Today I'm going to teach you how to add a date field to a document on DocuSign. This is incredibly useful when you need recipients to input specific dates like contract start dates, deadlines, or signatures dates in a standardized format. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to DocuSign.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to log in using your credentials. After you've successfully logged in, you'll land on the DocuSign dashboard where you can access all your document management tools. Now look at the top toolbar of your screen. Here you'll find several options for managing your agreements and documents. Click on Agreement to access the document sending features. This is where you'll create and manage all your signing requests. In the upper left panel, you'll see a button that says Start Now. Click on it to begin creating a new document for signing. This initiates the process of preparing a document that you'll send to recipients for their signatures or input. Next, you'll need to upload your document. Click on Upload, and from the options that appear, select Desktop. This allows you to choose a file that's saved on your computer. A file browser window will open up, so navigate to the location where your document is stored. Select the document you want to upload, and click Open. The file will then upload to DocuSign, which may take a moment depending on the file size. Once your document is uploaded, you'll need to add recipient information. Type in the recipient's name in the designated field. This ensures that the document is properly addressed and tracked in your DocuSign account. Below that, type in the email address of the recipient. This is where DocuSign will send the signing request, so make sure the email is accurate. After entering the recipient details, you'll see fields for subject and message. Enter a subject line that clearly describes what the document is about, and if needed, add a message to provide context or instructions for the recipient. This helps them understand what they're being asked to sign or fill out. When you're satisfied with all the information, click Next in the bottom right corner. This will take you to the document editing interface, where you can add fields for the recipient to interact with. Now comes the important part. In the left sidebar, you'll see various field options available. Click and drag the text field from the sidebar and place it wherever you want the date to appear in your document. Position it carefully so it's clear where the recipient should input the date. After placing the text field, navigate to the right panel where you'll find additional options for that field. Click on Validation to access formatting controls. This is crucial because it allows you to specify what type of data should go in this field. You'll see a drop-down menu appear below the validation option. Click on it and select Date from the list. This transforms your basic text field into a date-specific field, ensuring that recipients can only enter dates in the proper format. Next, navigate to the Validation Date Mask section. Click the drop-down menu below it to view different date format options. Select your preferred format, whether that's month/day/year, day-month-year, or any other format that suits your needs. This standardizes how dates will appear in your document. Finally, once you've configured everything to your liking, click Send in the bottom right corner. DocuSign will now send the document to your recipient with the date field properly configured. They'll receive an email notification and be able to complete the document with the date field you've added. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.